Yes, tell me. Khizr Khan, with the help, he helped Timur and he established his empire in the, what I said that from 1413 to 1451 in the Delhi. And Khizr Khan was as nothing, he was like a Raite-ala, he always considered himself what Raite-ala. And he khutbah, coins, everything in the name of what? In the name of Timur. And there is nothing has been developed, and thereafter the some rulers also come, Mubarak Shah, Muhammad Shah, Alauddin Alam Shah, but there is nothing. But one book has been written to talk about the story of these people. I said that Yahya bin Ahmad bin Abdullah Sarhindi, and it is, I said that Tarikh-e Mubarak Sahi. Tarikh-e? There is nothing has been happened. Art and culture, zero. Then there is a coming of, which one I said that? Lodi dynasty. और हमने बोला था रोटी कैसे खाते हैं? बासी रोटी दिया किसको? इब्राहिम को. Bahlul Lodi, Sikandar Lodi and Ibrahim Lodi. Bahlul Lodi I talked about, I said that he was in the Punjab region of Sarhind and he defeated what? I said that Sayyid and finished and come into the Delhi, and thereafter he moved towards Jaunpur, Sarki. Yes or not? And it has been, I said that, captured. Understood? इसको किसको capture किया था? Yes, Jaunpur को. उससे पहले ही. Understood? Jaunpur's, and thereafter we have been able to see coming of Sikandar Lodi, and देखा जाए तो he is the great ruler of, and he was also, I said that, full of generosity, and he has made Gajesh Sikandari. और गज पर बैठकर कहाँ गया था? आगरा. और आगरा में what he was doing? गुल खिला रहा था. So he made capital to Agra. He made capital, shifted to the capital to Agra, and then he has written his own poet verses in the pen name of Gulrukhi. Is it okay? And then we have been able to see he has made several architectural development, and this architectural development on the raised platform, and that is tomb. And these are what I said that octagonal and double dome. And these are, I said that, Sikandar tomb, Lodi garden, Darya tomb, Kale Khan, Bhure tomb, Bada, Chota Gumbad बोल दें या tomb. Is that okay? And then another, his prime minister was there. It is Maut ki Masjid. Understood it? Mosque. Thereafter we have been able to see, इसका मतलब है कि और coinage system को भी हम लोगों ने देखा बदलते हुए. Yes or not? So earlier the coinage system was in the form of Tanka and Jital, and that is started from the Iltutmish period itself during the Slav dynasty, and it continued. But the Tughlaq dynasty के last में आके Firoz Shah में it has been changed and it become what? Adha and Beg. और थोड़ा सा फिर हम लोगों ने देखा कि further coin में it was struck in the name of Timur during the Sayyid period. Yes or not? Thereafter we come for the provinces. And in the provincial temple, provincial architectural development is, I said that, it is an amalgamation of, I said that, Delhi Sultanate tempered architectural style with the regional architectural style. Therefore, it has a different architectural style come into existence. And if we will be able to see, it is a great setback to the what? Delhi Sultanate architectural style. हो सकता था वो कहीं और हाइट पे पहुंच सकता था, क्योंकि अपनी ग्रोथ होती है ना, उसके बाद न्यू फाइनर, बेटर फाइनर, मच फाइनर, तो उसने एक रोक दिया, एंड देयर आफ्टर इट स्टार्टेड डिक्लाइनिंग. और फर्दर द आर्टिशियंस हैज बीन शिफ्टेड, एंड वी हैव बीन एबल टू सी द मालवा प्रोविंस, बंगाल, मालवा, मेवाड़, गुजरात, कश्मीर एंड जौनपुर. एंड देन गुजरात, बंगाल में हमने देखा इलियास खान हु हैज एस्टैब्लिश्ड, घियासुद्दीन आजम, घीर खाएंगे तो माल होगा, मालाधर बसु, एंड देन कृष्ण देंगे. कौन देंगे? श्री कृष्णा विजय. लेकिन शंकर जी क्या करेंगे? आपका चीता पे ले जाएंगे. चैतन्य, शंकर देव चैतन्य, द टू रिलीजियस रिफॉर्मर. और यहां पे हमने क्या देखा? बंगाल ड्रॉप आर्च गिरा पांडु पे, मिक्सचर ऑफ, आई सेड, आर्कुएट एंड ट्राइबेटेड स्टाइल. ड्रॉप आर्च, इट हैज बीन फॉलन डाउन, एंड पांडु का क्या हो गया? आधा हुआ या आधी हुई? आधी. आदिनाथ मॉस्क. And this is a region of heavy rainfall. The convex structure is very much important. Yes, sir. And it is 1538. It is confiscated and captured by शेषासुरी. मालवा, तो माल है तो